one infraction. Together apart. A higher pitch means a higher frequency. A higher frequency makes a higher sound. A higher pitch means a higher frequency. A higher frequency makes a higher sound. Our sound needs a medium to travel through. And though it's got some far space molecules, it's not as efficient as solids or liquids. But it's air. Electric guitars have magnetic payoffs to create electrical signals. Speed of waves is never changing. Higher frequencies, more waves per timing. The tighter, shorter, and thinner the string, the higher the sound. And when it's looser, the larger and thicker it seems. It's lower I found. When we use our fingers to shorten up the strings, we create a note change. If we match each other's pitch, we make a resonance. The physics in sound is purely evident.